Here we are at Calgary Stampede. Look at this artwork. Looks like they're crossing water. Pretty neat, huh? And there is the Saddle Dome. Of course, Calgary has probably the most famous annual rodeo. I don't know if you can see it over there. That's some neat artwork, and this is a neat building here also. This is downtown Calgary, or real close to it. But I thought it was neat, so I turned on the camera for this. Here we go. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the adventures here in Canada on their way to Alaska. And there's the gang. All right, till next one.
Boots on pavement, dust in the air. Downtown lights shining everywhere. Stampede spirit calling me there. Steel and glass kissing the sky. Calgary tower winking high. It's a skyline rodeo where the city meets the show. Stampede Park, let the wild winds blow. Yeehaw, to the heart of the flow. Sky 360 spinning so slow. Top of the world, the city aglow. Heads tip low as the cowboys go. Oh, Alberta, you're the Wild West dream. From your mountains to your prairie streams, the stampede, the thrill, the rodeo gleam. It's a skyline rodeo where the city meets the show. Stampede Park, let the wild winds blow. Yeehaw, to the heart. Stampede Park, let the wild winds blow. Yeehaw, to the heart of the flow.